Well, hopefully you guys have got your coffee and you got 10 minutes so we can just see what old G RAThbun's up to today. Okay, as you can see, I've been sitting down. Here's what we're doing today, guys. I'm trying to make a better sound system for the bike. So what I've ordered this thing here. I've got this contraption already put together. It goes right on the front of here. I'll show you that in a minute. And then I can it'll be looking at what I'm looking at when I'm wearing the helmet, which I don't know, I might start wearing that sucker more. After seeing that guy laying on the road, I don't know, might be doing that. Anyway, okay, we're going to do that. That one's going to go here for right now for testing purposes. Now we're going to take this and I'm going to put hopefully a microphone to it, and then the microphone will run up into here. I'm going to put it inside the helmet so I can talk. Then I'll show you where I'm going to put the other ones here. We got that camera back there. That's just going to be Dale gave me that camera. Thank you, Dale. Every time I use it, I think of you, buddy. Now that's going to be showing where we've been or anybody coming up behind me. That would have worked good out of Sturgis this year when we had so many of our friends riding with us. Now then, we got this one over here. This is one of the new, that I've done before. This is something new. I got that sound speaker hooked up to that GoPro. This should give me good, clear motor sounds of my motor, because there's hardly, you know, if you got one of these, you know, right in that area, there's hardly any wind. So we're going to give that one a try. Haven't tried that before yet. The microphone should work with this. So let's give this a try. Again, you plug in the microphone right here. I didn't think that other one worked. See, I'm going to plug the mic in this one right here. Nope. Yeah, that one. Plug it right into there and then it should work, because they say you need an adapter. You just can't use one of these things here and plug it into your GoPro, because, you know, they got to make it so you got to buy their crap. Anyway, so we're going to plug this in. That'll work now, because that's it. Well, couldn't have got much closer. Of course, I don't know what the picture quality would be, because I don't know if it needs to be tipped up more or not. I got to give me some new, these are all metric. I'm going to put metric bolts in there rather than screws. That's right on there now. So that'll probably make a racket. And that's still recording. Well, we're just now checking out the new spark plugs, and I'll tell you what, it's running really good right now. Hopefully you can hear me. If you're not, yeah, I'll go over it and tell you what I said. Well, we're going to go down Vader Grade right here. Right there's the light. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that ain't working. Well, as you can see, and me too, the GoPro 10 with that mic, there's too much crackling, did not work. The GoPro 4, it worked okay. It might turn out to be the best one of the bunch. The GoPro 2, I didn't even have any sound on it. The GoPro 2's ones, they never were known for having good mic quality. They're an action camera, and that's all they are. So that's what we got going on right there. Mostly a fail, other than the GoPro 4, maybe. Hey guys, that last video
I made quite a while ago, and now I bought one of these, and I'm going to have this video coming up the very next thing. So check it out. I'm using this right now. It's putting the sound on the video that you're looking at right now. So stay tuned for this very next video. It'll be in a couple days. See you then. Bye.
Sally used to carry my books to school. Sally was a good old girl. Helped me with my homework 'cause I was a fool. Sally was a good old girl. If you wanted just a kiss or a little bitty squeeze, she was always